Mushi Hirush from Israel is back with a new video. Her previous video, Aquatic Frisbee Challenge, is one of the most popular videos streaming on Fitmotivation.com. This time she's ready to play ball. Most of the exercises in this workout are suitable for all fitness levels, but some of these ball exercises are exceptionally creative and really challenging. Check it out.
So I think we are ready, so let's have a ball. Once again, embrace the ball and go backwards. Yeah, push it. Good, 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 good. I hope you're getting warm up. Take your hand and push the water. Slide to the side. Slide. Now put the ball over here and lay down on your side. And go. Go, go, go. Use your hand for help if you need, but you are completely on your side. Yeah, keep on pushing and work with your legs fast so you can stay outside. And now we'll go from far away to us and squeeze the ball. High, go high. 3. Good. Don't wait for the ball. 2. And last one. Perfect. You're doing a ski, touching the floor, leg that is downwards. Perfect, keep on going. Now bring them up and do a big ski, and they are not touching the floor, both of them. That's perfect. We are in the plank position, but we bring 2 legs at the same time over the ball. Legs will come forward and return backwards. All the time you are pressing, squeezing in one time, very strong. Keep on squeezing and use your legs. Keep it up and keep on breathing. We go to this side and we go 1, 2, 3, and push it. 1, 2, 3, push. Up, up. Now keep on going, but bring your heels down, 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 strong. Strong. This is your hamstring working. I want to squeeze the ball. Squeeze the ball when you're doing the twist. Squeeze. It's going down and back, down and back. Keep on going, and the hands are in the water. Slide, push. 2 hands on the ball. One is sending the ball in a straight line. The other one is sending it in an arc. You're working with 2 hands, jogging all the time, and after 10 passes like this, change roles. One is grabbing the ball, doing a jumping jack, level 1. The other one does a kick forward, trying to meet the ball. After 10 times, change roles. This exercise, the important thing is the one that is in the floor that should stay very tall and strong in order to keep the ball between them.
Let's Have a Ball is now streaming on Fitmotivation.com, and a DVD is also available. Please read the blog to find out where you can purchase it.